In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a gift card on Square. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard, and then over here on the left, you can see you have items and services. So you want to click on that. And from here, the second tab is going to be gift cards. So you want to click on it. And as you can see here, you have like a bunch of different options. And if you select e-gift cards over here, these can be created for free. But of course, you can get plastic gift cards as well. So I'm just going to click on overview over here, and it's going to basically show you these options. So you can order physical gift cards. If you click on that, you can basically go to a second tab, or you could go and set up e-gift cards for free. So I'm going to go and click on set up e-gift cards for free. And whenever you do this, you want to select your design you want to use. So I'm just going to go with something very simple. I'm going to use this one over here. I'm going to click on it like that. And of course, you can go ahead and basically select multiple ones. There's a bunch of different ones, as you can see. I'm just going to click on next. And there we go. You can go ahead and enter in the amount. So you can change these if you want to. For example, there's 10, 20, 25, and 50. I'm going to actually leave this like that. You have to put on the minimum load amount and then the maximum load amount. And of course, here you have like the redemption policy. And then here you can select if you want it to expire. You can go ahead and basically select additional policies, etc. And then click on the finish button top right. Now, whenever you do that, it's going to start loading for a few seconds. There we go. It says your e-gift card order page is almost ready. And then what you have to do is basically complete your setup guide, setup point of sale to activate your e-gift card page for customers. Now I'm going to click on setup here. There we go. And it's going to go back into your setup where you have to finish this part. Now, if I go over here to items and services and then gift cards and overview, you'll be able to see that there we go. Here are my gift cards. And of course, I can go ahead and manage them. So right now there's no results found. I can go to e-gift cards, click on configure. And then whenever you do this, you can basically do all the configurations over here. You can change designs, etc. And yeah, that's essentially how to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.